Good morning, my dear friends and students. It gives me great pleasure to meet you all once again through such audios and videos with a different topic. I'm sure some of the students are very much frustrated during this pandemic period with the reason that they are not able to go out. There is no social meeting. They are forced to sit with the books and laptops at home always. Not only to students, the situation is the same with elders also to a large extent during this pandemic period. All of us are very much frustrated looking at the current scenario for almost 6 to 8 months. To be successful or at least to be relieved from this frustrated mood, let us try to follow the following ABCD rule. Let us see in details what it says. A means accept things as it is. All of us know very well that nobody is 10% perfect in this world, or we cannot expect anybody to be 10% perfect in this world. Similarly, we cannot expect all the situations in our life to be 10% favorable to us. One such situation is this pandemic situation. Therefore, let us accept things as it is. People are not able to proceed with their job with the same way what they used to do usually. Students have to wait for months together to write their examinations. Students have to wait for months together for their results, unlike previous years. I'm sure we'll feel very much frustrated during such situations. But when certain things are beyond our control, we need to accept things as it is. There is no point in losing our temper, losing our health by getting angry with people around us with the reason that we are frustrated during this pandemic period. B means believe in yourself. There may be people around us who may underestimate our ability, who may convey certain statements which brings down our confidence level. Whatever may be the situation around us, if we develop confidence in ourselves, if we believe in ourselves, nothing can stop from us in achieving our goals. I used to tell my students always, nobody can make you cry other than you. So let us believe in ourselves and try to achieve our goals. C means continue with your job with positive thoughts. We may feel like bored in our preparations if our exams get postponed every now and then due to unforeseen situations like the current COVID situation. In such cases, we should try to involve ourselves in certain activities like doing meditation, listening to music, involving ourselves in drawing, etc., and then proceed with our job. It will definitely help us to be relieved from the frustrated mood. D means delete negative thoughts from our mind. Unless we delete negative thoughts from our mind, our total effort towards our goal gets wasted. We should never give room for our negative thoughts to spoil our mood as well as our career in future. Whatever I said above is applicable to me also. So, my dear friends and students, let us try to follow the above four ABCD rules to be successful in life as well as to be away from the frustrated mood at any time in our life. Thank you, friends and students, for patient listening. I will meet you soon with a different topic. Until then, goodbye from R. Shankara Raman.